Segment is sponsored by Smith's Food and Drug. If you're looking for the perfect comfort snack, Chef Jeff Jackson is here from Smith's, and he's going to show us how to make a chicken enchilada bean dip. So let's take a look.
Hello everybody, I'm Chef Jeff from Smith's. Today's recipe is perfect for any game day party or any gathering and you want to serve a great dip. We're going to be making a chicken enchilada bean dip. Super easy to make. We're using rotisserie chicken that you can buy at the deli, your local Smith's. We got a few other easy ingredients like black beans and some enchilada sauce, cream cheese. Let's get right to it. We're going to start with basically starting our vegetables in this. We're going to put some onion and peppers in this, but we don't want the onions and peppers to be raw when they go in there. So we need to cook them just a little bit. So we're going to do this in a cast iron pan because this whole thing is going to go in the oven. So either a cast iron or any other oven safe dish is what we want to do this in. Got a lot of sizzling going on here. Get those going. Next is going to be an Anaheim chili. Now what that is a chili that looks like this, otherwise known as maybe a hatch chili. It's just a kind of like a large jalapeno, maybe not quite as spicy as a jalapeno, but a lot of really great chili flavor. So in goes that. I seeded it and then diced it. And so then after that, I'm going to add some salt and pepper and then just kind of let those soften up. It usually takes them about 3 to 4 minutes to get translucent and soft. So we'll let those do their thing. Okay, so once your onions are translucent, your chilies are soft, basically everything in the pool now. So I'll just go through and tell you. We've got red enchilada sauce. We've got rinsed black beans. I have smoked paprika and garlic powder. I've got cream cheese that's been softened. This is sour cream. So as this melts together, it just gets really bubbly and just fantastic. This is salsa verde. Get it in there. And then I've got some rotisserie chicken that I've pulled. And then some mixed Mexican cheeses there that I have shredded. So basically now I'm gonna mix this up and then it's gonna be ready to go in the oven. Okay, so I've got it all mixed in, managed to not make a huge mess, believe it or not. This goes in a 400-degree oven for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Basically what you're looking for is to be bubbly on top and all the cheese melted. Just look for bubbling, 15 to 20 minutes, 400. Okay, so after about 20 minutes, it should be bubbly and browning and delicious. Let's get it out of the oven carefully. Let's see, let's put it in its final resting place here. Don't want to burn my placemat. So basically now let's serve it with some tortilla chips. I'm gonna do an avocado with it, maybe put some olives, lime wedges, all the regular things, some sour cream, all those types of yummy things that make it perfect. So what I'm gonna do is take my avocado and kind of fan it out. Kind of put it right here. And then I'll take some green onion, put it on the top of it. You can find all of these ingredients at your local Smith's. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for shopping. We'll see you all next time. Bye-bye, everyone.